Good morning everyone. Respected dignitaries of KVS, Madam Nidhi Pandey, Commissioner of KVS, DC Mumbai Region, Murli Sir, our respected Principal Shri B.A. Londe Sir, our Vice Principal Ma'am Samta Madam, HM Sir, Shri Manish, learned colleagues of the Vidyalaya and my dear children. Today, under School Fit India School Week celebration, we are doing various activities and today we are going to discuss on the brain games. Good morning dear children. As you all know, we are celebrating Fit India School Week. This is a virtual celebration. Under this program today, we are going to learn something about brain games and how they help us. Games period is the most wanted and liked period of children. When we hear the word game, what picture or image comes or flashes in our mind? We generally associate the word game with physical activity like jumping, running, playing, etc. But children, today we are going to learn all together about different types of games, that is the brain games. For keeping ourselves healthy and fit, we exercise our body, follow the correct diet plan, have regular sleep. But very few people take note of the fact that healthy living includes a healthy brain. Our brain does more than just think. It controls basically everything that we do. Exercising our brain is also an important part of our health activity. Think of your brain like your abs. If you work out your abs, you are going to develop strong abs. However, if you do not work out your abs, they will lose their definition and strength. So, we must work out our brain so that it remains fit and active. Now, the question is, how do we exercise our brain? Very simple, by playing brain games. Just like you can exercise your body, you can also exercise brain with fun games and activities that help flex and strengthen your brain. Your brain is growing at a rapid rate. The younger the child, the easier it can be to learn certain things. It can help strengthen certain skills like memory and even improve concentration. Let us see which are the different types of brain games that you can play. All of you must be familiar with crossword puzzles, Sudoku, chess, Rubik's Cube, jigsaw puzzles, language games, scrambles and board games. The above mentioned are few examples of brain games that children generally play. Brain games keep our brain active and stimulated all the time, keep us focused and concentrated. They help stimulate the brain and make you think in unconventional ways to solve a problem. Just like physical exercise, the brain needs its own form of stimulation to improve upon areas like analytical thinking, creativity and problem solving. Now let us see the ways in which brain games are helpful. They help improving problem skills or develop the problem solving capacity in us. They train the memory, they help to improve concentration, enhance spatial recognition, improve visual perception and increase our reaction time. In addition to the above mentioned advantages, brain games also help in learning. Learning is easy when it is fun. Learning takes place better when it is interesting, entertaining and fun for children. It is not boring as listening to monotonous lectures. Mind games are activities that are fun but challenge your brain. They make you think, remember information and help train your mind. It continues to work your brain and keep it sharp. One great example of brain game is chess, played by all age groups. It is a game full of strategy. You simply cannot move a piece and hope to win until you have to plan ahead, outwit your opponent and only then you can win. It involves an intense intellectual challenge, very good for the health of your mind. It develops the ability to see from someone else's perspective. Players learn to anticipate an opponent's next move. to predict what other players will do next. It boosts planning skills. They have a better ability to remember and quickly recognize visual patterns, which comes from memorizing complex chess positions. Chess deepens focus, increases concentration, intelligence, and ability to comprehend tasks and respond efficiently to challenges. Another game that all of you are familiar with is Rubik's Cube. All of you must be playing the Rubik's Cube. It is very interesting. It helps in improving the memory, patience, problem-solving skills, keeps your mind active. Speed is improved. Finger dexterity of a child improves. Next game that we are going to talk about is Sudoku. Sudoku is a sensational hit for all ages. It involves a grid with some numbers inside them and the rest is empty. The aim of the game is to fill up all the missing numbers. While it looks deceptively simple, the catch is that you cannot repeat the same number in the same row or column. It challenges your mind to think 3-4 steps ahead and can help in planning. Using logic to find the answer helps you to come to a solution from a different angle, thus helping in building problem-solving ability. Then we have lots of puzzles. Puzzles are also a very popular games amongst children. These are good unsupervised activity as the child's curiosity keeps them engaged with the game. They help the brain in development as they build child's spatial reasoning and hand-eye coordination. A stimulating and fun brain game encourages children to stay focused on one problem for a longer period until it is solved. It requires lateral thinking and finding creative solutions. It helps in applying these to other areas of learning as well. Mental ability games allow you to gain the skills to efficiently face and solve any problem on your life. They allow you to promote learning throughout the childhood. It increases our brain mental vitality and promotes learning. It improves our cognitive ability and gives us the feeling of accomplishment after completing a task, which boosts confidence and helps the child to grow into a well-rounded adult. So children, you must exercise your brain from time to time to keep it active and stimulated so that it can function properly and you reap the advantages. So children, play brain games from time to time for fun as well as learning. Thank you.